Lemon water: myths, truths, and hidden benefits. Every morning, millions of people swear by their glass of warm lemon water. From Hollywood celebrities to wellness gurus, it's become a ritual. But is lemon water really that magical, or just another wellness trend? In this video, we'll uncover the truth. Which health claims are backed by science, and which are just sour myths? Plus, the most common mistakes people make when drinking lemon water, and how to avoid damaging your teeth or digestive system. Let's dive in. Myth 1. It covers your daily vitamin C needs. Many believe a glass of lemon water gives you all the vitamin C you need. Sounds great, but not quite true. One lemon provides about 30 to 50 milligrams of vitamin C. The recommended daily intake for adults, around 90 to 110 milligrams. So, while lemon water contributes to your intake, it doesn't cover it. To truly boost your immune system, combine lemon water with fruits and veggies, like bell peppers, berries, or kiwi. Interestingly, natural vitamin C from citrus may be more bioavailable than synthetic supplements, thanks to compounds like flavonoids, which enhance absorption. Bonus tip: acerola cherry powder is one of the best natural C sources, perfect if you want to supplement. Myth number 2. Lemon water detoxes your body. Here's a juicy one. Does lemon water really detox your body? Scientifically speaking, your body detoxes itself every day through your liver, kidneys, skin, and even your tongue. Lemon water doesn't magically remove toxins, but it does support hydration, stimulates digestion, and encourages bowel movement, especially when warm. And that helps your body do what it's already built to do: cleanse itself naturally.
How to prepare it right.
Here's how to do it properly. Boil half a liter of water. Let it cool slightly. Then squeeze in half a lemon and optionally add a teaspoon of raw local honey. Important: never add lemon or honey while the water's too hot. Heat destroys vitamin C and the enzymes in honey. Pro tip: warm water is gentler on your digestive system and may help with nutrient absorption. Myth number 3. It makes your body alkaline. Is lemon water alkalizing even though it's acidic? Surprisingly, yes. After digestion, lemon's citric acid becomes alkaline in the body, thanks to minerals like potassium and magnesium. This helps balance the pH, especially for those consuming lots of acid-forming foods like meat, dairy, and coffee. Even more alkalizing than lemon? Oranges. Myth number 4. It boosts your metabolism. Can lemon water jumpstart your metabolism? Not directly, but it does help. Citrus polyphenols have been shown to influence fat metabolism. Plus, drinking warm lemon water can activate digestive enzymes and regulate blood sugar. Ayurvedic medicine says the sour taste stokes your digestive fire, what they call agni. When combined with honey, this morning ritual may support metabolism and weight loss, if paired with a healthy lifestyle. Myth number 5. It strengthens immunity. Vitamin C is crucial for immune defense. Lemon water helps, but it's no miracle shield. The bonus? Vitamin C improves iron absorption from plant-based foods, and iron plays a vital role in immune cell function. So, drink your lemon water with a leafy green breakfast, and you're on the right track. Caution: it can erode your tooth enamel. This one's serious. Lemon is acidic, and frequent exposure can weaken your enamel. To protect your teeth, dilute lemon juice with enough water, drink through a straw, rinse your mouth afterward, and wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. Some studies in the British Dental Journal highlight the risk of enamel erosion from acidic drinks. But don't panic. I've personally done this for over 20 years, and with the right precautions, my teeth are still strong. Lemon water for glowing skin. Now for one of the best perks: your skin. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, the protein that keeps skin smooth, elastic, and youthful. And don't underestimate the power of hydration. Most people don't drink enough water during the day. Starting your morning with half a liter of lemon water gives your body and skin a hydration boost right from the start. It's a small act of self-care that shows up in your complexion. Lemon water isn't a miracle cure, but it is a simple, affordable, and effective habit to support digestion, hydration, and your overall well-being. What's your experience with lemon water? Do you drink it daily? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.